Hello and welcome to our next lecture and video from this course on how to create graphics using Crello, a free cloud-based application. Now, in the previous lectures and videos, you have seen exactly how to use different functions of Crello, how to create and customize your graphic designs, and now we want to share with you how you can upload your own elements to use in your designs so that you can customize them even better to fit better your needs and the purposes of the design, and basically how you can do that to manage them easier, how to organize them easier so that you can always access them in a very efficient manner. So for the purpose of this example, we will choose to create, let's say, a social media post. It doesn't matter exactly what type of, let's say, folder or template, what type of template we are actually going to choose. Let's say that we are choosing this one, Cyber Monday. Now you will see in the left side menu that you have a section which is called My Files. What I want you to do is go ahead in My Files, and you will see here that you can upload different things like images, elements. Okay, you can see here that I have images, different icons. You can also upload fonts, but this is for a different lecture. You can see your purchased elements and your favorite elements. Okay, now in the upload section you can see that it's very easy to upload an image. Okay, you just go ahead, select something from your computer. Let's say that we select this image, we open it, it will be uploaded automatically. Okay, and you'll see that you have some sections here: folders, my covers, and files which are not in folders and that we can manage. Okay, and if you click on manage them, you will see all the files which are not in folders. Okay, you can check them. You can add them in a new folder. It's very easy. You can delete them if you want to. Okay, it works very simple. Now let me close this window. So what you can do, for example, it's add a new folder. Let's say images. Okay, and for example, let's say that we want to put this new image that I've uploaded in the images folder so we can find it easier. Okay, we just drag and drop it there. Very simple. All the images, we just drag and drop them there. Okay, we can do another folder which is called, let's say, icons. And all the icons, we put them in the icons folder. So it's easier for us in the future to access them, right? Let's put the images in images. So this is how it works. Very simple. Okay. If we click on a specific folder, it will redirect us. We can see what elements we have in this folder. We can upload images now directly in this folder. We can delete them if we want to, and we can close the folder. Okay, it's very easy. It's just like a file manager on your computer. Okay, but it's very useful to use these functions of organization because you will be much more efficient in finding the elements that you need when you are creating your graphics design. Now, I know this was simple, but I hope it was helpful for you. We thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture and video.